In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can quickly embed your subscribe form on your WordPress powered website. So at the moment, we can see we've got a pop-up form selected. So the first stage, let's hop over to the admin control panel for our WordPress site. To make embedding really easy, we recommend installing the following plugin to your WordPress site, WPCode. This makes the sign-up process and embedding process really quick and simple. After you've installed it, you'll notice on your WordPress control panel, you have a new menu item called Code Snippets. Just head over to the header and footer section. Okay, perfect. Let's now go back to Subscribe Builder. Okay, so we're ready to embed. If we open the Actions menu and click on Embed Form. As advised here, we want the script option, as it says it's best for normal websites and WordPress powered websites. So let's click on script. We'll be now provided with a one-line bit of JavaScript. So just click on copy to clipboard. Let's head over to our WordPress admin control panel again. So from the header and footer section of WPCode plugin, we just need to paste this code in the header section. Now hit save. Okay, that will now be applied to our website, and that should be done and ready to roll. So let's head over to our blog. If we refresh the page, we will now see our newsletter subscribe form has been successfully embedded on our WordPress powered website and is ready to use.